when you do something, think. (2023) I did. Now this is also very easy one. dy dx plus 12y, it is I think 2022 dy dx. This is your homework. 2022 dy dx plus 12y. 12y is equal to cos pi x by 12. And it is given that y is 0 equals to 0. This is given. So how you solve this? Hard work to run integrating. So it is dy dx plus dy equals to q form. It is 2022, I think. Yes, 2020 the multiple option correct. 2022 multiple option correct. Lots of options is there. So first you have to solve the calculate the y function or integrating by e to the power integration p dx. So that is e to the power integration 12 dx. 12 is your p. So e to the power 12x. Now multiply this equation 1 with integrating factor. So y e to the power 12x. I'm doing the integration q. Q is this and this. E to the power 12x cos pi x 12 dx plus c. Now y e to the power 12x is equal to, now you know e to the power ax cos bx integration e to the power ax a square plus b square a cos bx plus b sin bx, I think, right? And you have to substitute this thing. This is a cos bx, b sin bx. If it is sin bx, then a sin bx minus b cos bx. Remember these two formula by parts. Okay, so this will be e to the power 12x divided by 12 square a square b square, that is pi by 12 whole square. B is this pi by 12. A is 12 cos pi x by 12 plus b is pi by 12 sin pi x by 12 plus c. Okay, this one. Now they, in option they asked that whether this is an increasing function, decreasing function, a real number. B, third option is such that line y equals to b intersect the curve y equals to fx at infinite many points. Yx is a periodic function. Yx means y. You have to calculate. Let's see. Now using the initial value, we'll calculate the c here. So 0, substitute 0 here, y here 0. So that is c is equal to this one, e to the power 0 12 square plus pi by 12 whole square. Because this part is 0, y is 0, see, y is 0, this is e to the power 0, e to the power 0 1, but 0 into 1 is 0, so this will be, yeah, and there is c, so this will be 3 plus this is 0, left 0, right hand side, let's see right hand side what happens. 12 cos is it, so 12 cos 0 is 0, cos 0 1, because x is 0, and then this part is 0, 12 e to the power 1 calculation 12 square plus pi by 12 whole square. So end result is this one, and then we have to check for the increasing, decreasing, all those things. That y is equal to e to the power 12 is divide, so this is 1 by 12 square plus pi by 12 square. It is 12 cos pi x by 12 plus pi by 12 sin pi x by 12, and c is this, so minus 12 e to the power 12x is there, so e to the power minus 12x divided by this one 12 square. C is this one, but e to the power, I divided both sides by e to the power 12x, so this one cancel out, and then for C this pi by 12 whole square. Now useful simple calculation. See, if you see these things, this is increasing function or decreasing function. Check. I think this one is increasing or decreasing. So see, we can't say yes, this might be increasing function, but we don't know whether this kind of this kind of function can be written in this way: r cos theta plus alpha. So sinusoidal curve, whether it is increasing or decreasing in the particular interval, we don't know. So neither increasing nor decreasing. Okay, because sin x curve, sinusoidal curve, we can sure about this, that this is an increasing function, but this one we can't say. It is not a periodic function. This one is a periodic function maybe, but this one is not a periodic function. So total function is not periodic one. To 2022, check the options. Y infinite many points. Yes. Y equals to beta. Y equals to beta means x-axis parallel straight line. If the curve is sinusoidal curve, this is sinusoidal curve basically. See, we have seen this kind of curve, A or r cos alpha. Suppose r cos alpha is 12, so this is r cos alpha cos pi x by 12 plus r sin alpha, suppose pi by 12. So this will be r, this thing. Sinusoidal curve y equals to beta is this one. This is a sinusoidal curve. Y equals to beta is a parallel line, so it will intersect. This will be the correct option. Infinite meaning intersect, infinite. You have to think about logically. The sin alpha, sin or cos, yes, sin pi x by 12. So this will be our either sin or cos. So cos pi x by 12 minus, suppose take this as alpha. So this is a sinusoidal curve. It will be like this. Okay, minus pi by 4 is the phi. Those who done waves, you know, the wave function. So it will be, this will be the correct option, that it will intersect infinite points. Can intersect infinite points. 1 point here, 1 point here, 1 point here. So this one will be the correct option. Option, I think, C is not a periodic function. This one is periodic maybe, but this one is not periodic. Check. Yeah. So this one is a good one. 2022 question. But we'll follow the I will give you lots of this kind of similar shadow questions. That's a good, will be good practice. This one is really the option, multiple option correct. Option A is not correct, not increasing function. increasing, but it is not increasing, decreasing. So there's a sinusoidal curve. You can't say increasing or decreasing. One interval it will be increasing, another interval it will be decreasing. Okay. Slope of the tangent, suppose this one is a slope. Okay. Y equals to beta. Y equals to beta, suppose this one. It is a parallel straight line to x-axis. It can intersect infinite points. But if you draw the slope here, it will be positive slope, positive dy dx. Here it will be, suppose this one, this here will be this one, here it will be negative dy dx, right? So not increasing, not decreasing, not increasing, not decreasing, not decreasing. Okay. So there is a surprise. We'll start surprise for JE and NEET both. We'll start the physics soon. Now we are doing the okay. कोई बात नहीं, थोड़ा थोड़ा ऐसे भी मैथ्स में तो ज़्यादा नहीं, फिजिक्स में मुझे पता है, हिंदी या बाकी जो जरा बंगाली थे ये बात एक प्रॉब्लम हो गई, विल ट्रांसलेट, डोंट वरी, बट प्रैक्टिस व्हेन यू हैव practice is important. You have to practice JEE mains, JEE advanced questions, and their type of questions very regularly with proper concepts. In multiple option correct, you have to check all the way, decreasing or decreasing, because whatever we got that, for example, we got this kind of function, right? Y means if x is, I think we got this one, minus 12 square plus pi by 12. Then there is a sinusoidal curve, and then e to the power minus 12x divided by 12 square, pi by 12 square. Yes, this one is always an increasing curve. If you see this one, this type, and this is a sinusoidal curve. I think we got 12 cos pi x by 12 plus pi by 12 sin pi x by 12. This is entirely a sinusoidal curve. This within the bracket, whatever we get. So this curve, so not increasing, not decreasing. This is increasing, but this is not increasing, decreasing. So we are not sure that the first or second option will be correct. Option a periodic function. This is might be a periodic, but this is not periodic function. Exponential function is not a periodic function, except we give box x. And then this one is the correct option. It can, if it is sinusoidal curve, parallel to x-axis. If it is parallel to y-axis, then it will intersect at maybe at a certain one point, unique point, but it can intersect at. So today's class we'll have studied differential equation, 4 different kind of differential equation. All these are important type, especially the LD for advanced, even for mains also. And surprises, we'll start the physics also soon. Lots of practice you need. So till then, bye. Meet you in the next अगले क्लास में मुलाकात होगा. तब तक के लिए प्रैक्टिस.